This is the review of 28th of May, which was yesterday. Uh, we were supposed to work on some things which were to identify a trend, which is a strong trend. How do you enter a strong trend? And then some work on major move. I've done some work on measured move. I'm working on these. We'll come back with how to approach and work around these. Currently studying the work of Larry Pesavento and L. Brooks around it. Let's look at the review. The market opened here. We saw an up move, and on the retracement down, I bought around the breakout zone, and I got stopped out of my trade at the lower end of the range. Now when there were two things. One was from the open to the high, whatever move you've seen, you can project it downward. That is the obvious target, and since it was very strong, you can see an extension of it. That is some work that I'm working around measured move. Also, whenever you see the open was not very strong, although there were continuous bull bars, it was not very strong. There were overlaps, so I was cautious to buy, and once I got stopped out, I did not did anything. When we saw this leg down, this was the retracement, and I projected another leg, which is now another measured move thing that I'm doing, working around. And the measured move was until 24,020. We went until 17. It was 20 or 10, somewhere around this area, where the traders would start booking profits. The important thing around measured move is also, if you look from here to the top, the size of the pullback was almost same. So this buy that I did, I should have been more cautious. I bought it, but I got stopped out. I had a tight stop, but still it was a miss on my part. Since you have seen a strong rally, there might be another leg. Generally, the work of L. Brooks says you see a 3 wedge before the move ends, and the 3-legged move. So there was another leg which you could have expected. I only bought because I saw a strong rally, a pullback, and while it was not breaking, I saw a close. That is when I bought, but I exited on a stop. The measured move is, you can measure the size of the pullbacks, the size of the legs. I'll present a brief work around it sometime later, earlier next week maybe. Now the also important thing that happened was Nasdaq and Dow Jones both opened strong, and Nasdaq opened strong on the first prior bar low. I bought, got stopped out here, and now the another study that I'm doing, which is around measured move, and what it says is this: if this is the opening, and this is L. Brooks' work, if this is the opening, and if you see the market coming back to the opening, you can measure this move and then you can expect either there would be a measured move up again or a equal move down, and this is what I have projected. This is the open, this is the highest point, and I'm considering the bodies and not the tails and the wicks, and the projection of the measured move downward was until this area, and the market was holding here. I got stopped out. Whatever I did the same in the Dow Jones as well. I bought prior bar low, got stopped out, and if you notice something important, the after the pullback, one thing was the measured move for the Nasdaq was until here, but the measured move, if you start from here, consider this point, which is 140 points, you would see the measured move for the Dow Jones to be around the low of here. And even if you look at Nasdaq, while there's a lot of overlap, Dow Jones was printing bull bear bars at their closing at their top. That is why I shorted the Dow Jones for a measured move down. I shorted on the retracement, shorted again when after this pullback we came back, and I exited around my measured move target while there was a lot to be captured. Now this is also important. If you look at from the bottom to the top, and this point was a 38% retracement, and that is where I bought and I exited at the top end. I am doing some work around measured move, and if you look at why I lost, was I wanted to onboard the trend way too early, but I was seeing strong close, that is why I did it. But I should have been cautious that the Asian session was negative and even the European session was negative, so maybe that is what we want to incorporate next, being cautious what happened during the Asian and the European session. Also, this was good, this was also good, being cautious, and this was a good try. Maybe the stop was 60 points, but I was fine with it. But once I've seen a rally and up move, I should have shorted it, which I did not, and I had multiple. This was wrong, this is what I missed. Measured move is something that I want to do more work around, and being cautious what has happened in the European and Asian session is something that I want to be cautious of going forward. These are the learnings, and will incorporate these in the trading days coming forward.